Multiplication with the lattice method. I came across lattice multiplication a few years ago. I did not learn it in school. It features a genius angle on the box method. Planning this video, I wondered just when this method had been created. A bit of online research revealed it was documented back in, are you ready? 1478 in Italy. I couldn't believe that this method had been around for so long and I had only recently discovered it. So let's see how an ancient math technique can help you breeze through multiplication problems. Let's try it out on this. 32 times 7. Draw a box first. 32 times 7. Now we draw a line diagonally across each box like this, and we stretch it outside a bit. Here we've got a 1 space, a 10 space, and a space where we do our adding up. Only one digit per space, of course. Start multiplying at the right and work left. 2 times 7 is 14, and 3 times 7 is 21. And when we add, we're not adding vertical columns, we're adding diagonal stripes instead. In the 1 stripe, we've got 4. In the 10 stripe, 1 and 1 is 2. And in the hundreds, 2. It's 224. There's just something cool about filling in those boxes and adding up the diagonal stripes. The thinking and the math just flows right along. The lattice method is a game changer for some students. And when the numbers get even bigger, you really see the benefit. Check it out on this. 312 times 65. Set out the lattice. 312 times 65. And now we multiply out. 2 times 5 is 10. 2 times 6 is 12. 1 times 5 is 5. No 10s, just 5 ones. And 1 times 6 is 6. No 10s, 6 ones. Then 3 times 5 is 15. And 3 times 6 is 18. And next we add those diagonal stripes. Start on the right in the 1 stripe, 0. Then 5 and 1 is 6 and 2 is 8. 5 and 6 is 11, plus 1 makes 12. Put the 2 here and carry the 1. Now 8 and 2 is 10. Put down the 0 and carry the 1. And here 1 and 1 is 2. And the answer is 20,280. Check it on your calculator. Give this method a go. It's so straightforward. It makes me wonder why wasn't I taught this in school? Before I go, you need to know that the rectangular boxes that I've used here are a modification to the regular lattice method. I do this so that I can enter my numbers in a way that makes the products easy for me to read. The method you'll see everywhere else uses square boxes. When I do that, the digits end up being placed quite differently, and the products don't look the same at all. The numbers are lined up perfectly for adding, but I can't spot the products without really trying. They just don't jump out at me. With a rectangular lattice instead, the products are easy for me to see. The numbers are not set nicely for adding up, but I will take that downside because the multiplication is so clear. Okay, now you know what I know, and you've seen 2 different looks for the lattice method. You can choose the way that works best for you. Next time, it's the last multiplication strategy I've got for you, the one that we call the standard algorithm.